Welcome to Swipe se Shadi Tak. So, an average person like you and me, we spend approximately 3 to 5 years on these dating apps and matrimony apps just with the hope that we will be able to find the love of our life here. But होता क्या है in reality we have a checklist, हम checklist देख के match करते हैं, and then we have talking stage, जिस talking stage से हमारी hope बढ़ जाती है, and then heartbreak. And this keeps on happening until you realize that you're actually saying yes to the checklist and values don't match, and this is just a pure waste of time. I have seen a lot of videos talking about the trauma that's coming from this arranged marriage market, and people are just ranting, "ये क्या हो रहा है? हमारा हो गया है, we are just so done." I was also in that situation, and I totally understand. Changing landscape, millennials are just finding it so difficult to find a partner. So today I'll give you a 5-step blueprint to find your partner, which you can apply if you like, and this may save you a lot of mental trauma. And destiny is not in our hands, so just take out that astrology, Gemini retrograde and Mercury retrograde hai. We just can control what is in our hands, and in our hands it's just efforts. Watch this video till the end because I have a very positive thought of the day for you. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First is auditing. You cannot find a life partner if you don't know about the failure in your process में gaps क्या हैं? Identify the leaks. एक दो महीने में किसी को मना किया है या किसी ने आपको मना करा है, तो identify the reason. What could be the reason? I'm not saying to over analyze some situations because not everything is in our hands. कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जो आपको सही नहीं लगा या सामने वाले को सही नहीं लगा. Analyze the situation and see what you can add to your filtering or value system list. Step 2, the 3-layer filter method or the logic. So instead of having checklist with millions of things on that, start using a funnel. Categorize your needs into 3 categories: primary, deal breakers; values, the how; behavior, the reality. If your primary filter is that he must be willing to live in metro cities, for example, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, but the person wants to move abroad, then that could be a conversation that you should clarify in the beginning and not waste your time. This will save you some time. As I always say कि कुछ in between बात हो जाए तो बात बन जाए, but just try and see if your gut says if the person is flexible enough for your needs. Step 3 is boundary alignment. So in arranged marriages, especially in India, our parents are also involved. So look at it like कि हायरिंग मैनेजर आप हैं बट जो रिक्रूटर है वो आपकी फैमिली है, तो स्क्रीनिंग जो है अगर आपकी फैमिली ने सही नहीं करी तो हायरिंग मैनेजर तक बात नहीं पहुंच. अपने गोल्स और फिल्टर्स अलाइन करें एंड देन डिस्कस दैट विद योर पेरेंट्स, एंड सो दैट एवरीबडी इज अलाइंड. इससे ना आपका टाइम वेस्ट होगा ना सामने वाले का टाइम वेस्ट होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पेरेंट्स आर वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट ऑन अ कास्ट फिल्टर और एज और लुक्स और सैलरी और वट एवर. अगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हैं and if you are not able to convince them, then it makes no sense to talk to a person who is outside of that filter. कभी टाइम वेस्ट होगा और सामने वाले का भी टाइम वेस्ट होगा, and it will lead to nowhere. It's just burnout for you and the other person. Stage 4, the strategic vet. So most people, they just put their best foot forward, which is good. कम से कम कुछ तो अपनी पॉजिटिव चीज बताएंगे. वैसे भी अरेंज मार्केट में सब सोचते हैं किसी को कोई मिल नहीं रहा है. It's good, but don't just go on dates just to be liked by the other person, but also think in back of your mind, just think, can you stay with this person for like another 40-50 years of your life? क्या आप इस इंसान के साथ 24/7 घर में रह सकते हैं? क्या आप इसके साथ डिनर कर सकते हैं डेली फॉर लाइक 30, 40, 50 years? So instead of asking what are your hobbies and interests, because interests may change with time. Maybe आज आपको बैडमिंटन खेलना पसंद है बट कल को पिकल बॉल ट्रेंड आ गया तो वील प्ले पिकल बॉल. सो दीज थिंग्स मे चेंज, बट if the other person want to have a family, a kid, and you don't want to have a kid, then that's a big misalignment. So I would say focus on what a life do you want to imagine in 5 years down the line. Some questions like how do you deal with anger, or how do you resolve disagreements, or their reaction to this question will tell you more about the person than the answer itself. And last is active work. Stop shying and start working. So communication is the key, but efforts is the lock. So I have realized this कि मैं हमेशा बोलती रहती हूँ कि communication is the key, but communication is the key, but उसका lock क्या है? Lock is effort. So if you make good efforts to talk to the other person, to understand the other person, ऐसे ही efforts दोनों साइड से आएंगे, then you will realize and then you will be able to answer in your mind क्या आप इस इंसान के साथ पूरी ज़िंदगी बिता सकते हैं या नहीं बिता सकते हैं? आपको मतलब उस इंसान के साथ सारी लंच, डिनर, सारे वीकेंड्स, यू हैव टू प्लान अ फैमिली, बाय एसेट्स with that person. So is it possible? Start discussing boring things like what do you do on weekend? आप क्या करते हैं after office? How do you manage your chores, especially for people who are living outside of India? How do you plan to manage your finances? आप budgeting कैसे करते हैं? All those not so fun question, but this tells a lot about the person, about वो कितना सोचते हैं फ्यूचर के बारे में और आप कितना सोचते हैं, क्या आप दोनों सेम पेज पे हैं या नहीं है. सो आई थिंक ऑल दीज थिंग्स अल्टीमेटली लीड टू कंपैटिबिलिटी. तो कंपैटिबिलिटी ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एक मिनट में ऐसे छूमंतर होके आ गई. इट टेक्स टाइम टू बिल्ड अ बॉन्ड, create a bond with someone, and see if you are compatible with them. Arranged marriage or marriage in general is the biggest business deal of your life. Treat it with that level of respect. Follow me for more advice on modern marriage in this changing time without losing your mind. Positive thought before we close today's video. What's meant for you will always find you, and what's meant for you will never pass you by. Hold that thought and keep watching. Swipe se shaadi tak. I always say, may your chats turn into dates and your dates into something real. Until next time, keep swiping smart and loving smarter. Bye.